Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Fallen here for Sputnik Entertainment. Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at DLive. So DLive is a live streaming platform, but the cool part about it, it's built on the cryptocurrency and blockchain ecosphere. And fun side note, PewDiePie actually used to stream exclusively on DLive a while back, and I had some pretty cool streams. I think he did his Jack Black stream with it while he was still part of the DLive team. But I thought I would take a look at it. Once again, if people want to pursue a career in streaming or make some passive income streaming or just have fun streaming in general, I thought I would give you guys that option. Especially a lot of people stream on multiple sites at the same time using platforms like Restream that broadcast your stream on several platforms. So why not add DLive to the list of those platforms? And actually, I'm going to talk to you guys about several benefits that it comes with. So DLive.tv is the site, and this is the user interface that you're greeted with, the homepage. Similar very much to Twitch or any other streaming website you might be looking at. But let's just jump into the browse category. So once again, like Twitch, you see a list of games and categories currently available and how many viewers they have. We have GTA 5 dominating the charts with over 6,000 viewers. Chatting is close to 2,500. PUBG is over 1,800. News is over 1,200. You guys get the idea. And let's just jump into a random game to get an idea. So let's look at Rust. I love Rust. Very fun game to play. That's a very weird sentence to say. And there's only 4 people streaming Rust right now on DLive. To give you an idea, if you hop on Twitch and you look how many people are streaming Rust there, I have a very suspicious feeling and might be much more than 4. Might be 40, might be closer towards 100, if not even more. So if you're trying to get yourself seen, if you're trying to get some exposure associated with it, DLive might be a great way for you to be noticed and start growing a following. Now, another thing I want to mention is that how Twitch has bits, DLive has lemons, and you can buy lemons a few different ways. So on the top left side of your profile or your account, you might see how many lemons you have. And if you want to replenish your lemons, you can buy some more. And you can buy them using Amazon Pay or cryptocurrencies. And to give you a breakdown, 88 lemons will set you back 153 American. 288 lemons will set you back a little bit more at 404. 688 lemons will be 906, etc. You guys get the idea. But you can also buy the lemons and cryptocurrencies, and it gives you an explanation. I acknowledge that I have to pay the exact amount of cryptocurrency as required, transaction fee excluded, or my transaction will fail. So make sure if you're paying with cryptocurrency, you're following kind of the guidelines that they give you. But if you have some cryptocurrency or some spare cash that you want to add and support some creators on DLive, this is how you can do it. And let's just jump into a random Rust stream. So we're going to have this Rust gameplay in the background. And this gentleman, I believe it's a gentleman, has over 2,000 followers. They have a verified partner badge next to them. And they have 71 people watching. So you can also subscribe to people using lemons. So to give you an idea, 1 month will set you back 298 lemons. 3 months will set you back 289 lemons a month. 6 months, and you get a little bit of a discount versus a monthly pricing that you can go. Also, you can follow them and share the stream. On the right side, as you might expect, you have the live chat happening, and they have a bit of a description or an about section like you might see on Twitch and any other streaming platform out there. And they have some information about them, their computer build, how they can donate using PayPal, some settings, Facebook, Discord, etc. Once again, very much typical live streamer kind of page. You can also see their videos, replays, highlights, earnings, which is very much interesting because it's built on cryptocurrency and blockchain, and one of the fundamental principles of cryptocurrency is transparency. and be able to kind of keep track of everybody's wallet balances and prevent issues like double spending. And DLive definitely follows that lead with their lemon currency. So we can see that this individual currently has 14,000 lemons, almost 15,000 lemons in their wallet, and they have totally earned. They have their total earnings is over 47,000 lemons, and you can see all the donations of how many lemons people donated them, and it gives a updated balance and whatnot. And if they withdraw lemons, it would give a similar idea. You can also see the top contributors to the stream. We have a couple different individuals, either this stream, this month, or all time. And it gives you an idea of how many total donations and how they've been functioning. So actually that seems a little bit strange because that person donated 41,000 lemons and this one is 12,000 lemons. And total earnings is 47. Might be because of DLive's cut. But let's just jump into what you're working with when you want to stream. So this is your streamer dashboard that you might have with any streaming site. You can add your title, the language of your stream, the category, your thumbnail picture, your activity feed, and your chat and contributors would also pop up. Out here, you can contribute your stream with different offline banners. If you want to ban certain words, like a bad words filter, that would automatically filter out. You can definitely do that. And receiving your BTT address for donations. And also, I just want to mention is that Tron is investor in DLive, if they have not fully acquired them as of recording of this video. So it's either supported through BTT or TRX, which is the Tron cryptocurrency. You can also manage your subscription settings, your hosting, and your stream summary. So let me know, guys, what do you guys think of DLive? Have you streamed on DLive before? Are you considering streaming on DLive afterwards? Why or why not? Or have you just followed people on DLive previously? I just thought it's a nice alternative out there if people are trying to get into the streaming ecosphere. A lot of these sites right now are very hard to get into, especially if you don't have an audience on a different platform. But I think it's just a great addition for you to add on, especially if you're streaming on multiple sites at the same time. Once again, would love to hear what you guys think. And I definitely want to make some cryptocurrency videos again in the future, including the browser that I'm using, which is the Brave browser. I love this browser. It has a lot of cool features, which I'll talk to you guys about in the next video. Once again, let me know what you guys think in the comment section of this video or in the social, which you can find all the links in the description of this video. And I'll see you next time. See ya.